October 14th, 2021. We are here doing a mooring ball inspection. You can see that we have a lift bag under the water right here holding up the heavy chain. We have the lighter 2-inch chain on the deck and have started cleaning it. Obviously we've got to finish cleaning it. All these mussels and all these big barnacles. See the mooring ball where it collects as we pull it up. You can use a pressure washer, clean it all off. Right now this chain looks pretty integral, but once we really start blasting it with 4200 psi, you can see what it's made of. After that, we're going to put a second lift bag on about 25 feet up, and then we're going to go for the heavier chain, see what that looks like. After that, the majority of the chain is going to be buried under the sand. That sand's going to keep it from weathering and aging, so we will not get all the way down to the head, most likely. If we do, we'll show you, and we will show you the last little bit underwater when we get finished. Also, your mooring ball that you wanted to replace, from what I see right now, it looks great. We'll see. We'll discuss it further once it's in the boat. Thanks.